Expanding your word world. Setting goals for vocabulary and idiomatic expression learning. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's video, we'll tackle a key aspect of your journey to mastering English: setting goals for vocabulary and idiomatic expression learning. This will help improve your listening fluency, making your conversations smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Setting goals is an integral part of any learning process. In vocabulary learning, it helps us stay focused, provides us with a clear direction, and keeps us motivated. It's all about knowing where you want to go and how you plan to get there. Remember, every new word or phrase you learn is another step closer to fluency. There are two main types of vocabulary goals: quantity goals and quality goals. Quantity goals are about the number of new words or phrases you want to learn within a specific period. For example, I want to learn 50 new words this week. Quality goals focus on the depth of understanding. For instance, I want to fully understand and use 10 new idiomatic expressions in my conversations this month. Striking a balance between these two types of goals can help you maximize your vocabulary learning. To make your goals more effective, they should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific: define clearly what you want to learn, like technical words in your field, everyday phrases, or idioms. Measurable: set a number that will show progress, such as the number of words to learn. Achievable: the goal should be challenging but within your reach. Relevant: choose words or idioms that are useful for your daily communication or professional needs. Time-bound: give yourself a deadline to keep you motivated. After setting your vocabulary goals, it's important to track and assess your progress regularly. You can do this through self-tests, using new words in conversations or writings, and regularly revisiting and revising your goals based on your progress. That's it for today's video. Remember, setting and assessing goals is a dynamic process that can greatly boost your vocabulary learning journey. Always celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning English. We'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!